Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Keller Williams, coming to you again with another 3Rivers market report. We got some up arrows, we got some down arrows. Actually, we're about even. We're looking at some downs on the week over week, but all ups on the year over year. But regardless, I'm giving you the data as unbiased as possible. You know, I'm drawing this straight from the MLS, which we know 90% of home sales go through the MLS. It's very less than 10% are off markets. And we're looking at active available listings came in at 637, which is up 11 over the previous week, or about 2% week over week, up 18% year over year. New listings came in down 11% week over week, but up 11% year over year. Sold homes came in down 19% week over week, but up 3% year over year. Pendings came in down 18% week over week, but up 6% year over year. Median sale price came in at $240,819, showing appreciation week over week versus last year of 17%. Last 12 median sale price is $244,999 versus last year of $230,000. We're seeing over the last 12 months appreciation about 7%. So that's up again. We've been seeing 5 or 6. So homes are still appreciating, which is exactly what we expected to happen with the low inventory we have. We have about 1.8 months of inventory right now, which is still far below what we need. Balanced market is about 6 months inventory, and the lowering of interest rates. We knew demand was still going to be there, and we're trying to catch up. They're trying to build, and I think building is really the only way we're going to get out of this inventory crisis. We saw days on market speed up a little bit on the average, slow down, and speed up on the median, and slow down on the average. We saw it come in at 29 average, 9 median, which it was 28 average and 10 median last week. And last year at this time, it was 21 average and 4 median. So not far off on the speed wise versus last year. Last 12 months homes sold came in at 4,353 versus the previous year, 4,395, showing down just less than 1%. So we might actually get back to zero or positive this year. And remember that last year in that recession year was the first year in the Fort Wayne area that we've sold under 5,000 homes in a decade. So we're still chugging along, doing pretty good. I think we're going to end up by the end of this year better than last year. We can see the buyer demand still there. People need to find homes. We just got low inventory, so let us know how we can help you and put together a game plan for you. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.